What's going on, guys? How's everybody's weekend? Hope everybody doing well today. Let's take a look at my portfolio. Looks like I'm in the red today, down 1.52%. Yeah, most of my stocks are the red today. You know, everything going on with the world, so I'm sure everybody else is pretty much down. And the comment of Elon Musk, everybody's stocks going down. Just got another free stock actually today. Got Macy's. I thought I heard about Macy's closing down, but leave a comment. Let me know what you think about Macy's. High dividend yield, but I might sell this one. I'm not sure if Macy's actually will survive, but I might get rid of this one. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. So everything going on right now. I've been thinking a lot about ETFs. One ETF right here I'm looking at, BYM. You got Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF. I think when I start, get into more ETFs aggressively. It's good one right here, 24.5 billion market cap, 3.6 dividend yield. But if you know what ETF is, pretty much just kind of like a mutual fund. It's short for exchange traded funds. They hold assets like stocks, bonds, and other commodities. They're pretty much similar to like a mutual fund. Mutual funds are pretty much like a company managed portfolio, pretty much in a certain market sector. For example, right here, this ETF, a certain market sector right here, and high dividend yield stocks. Pretty good. Scroll down, index selects high dividend yield paying U.S. companies. Okay. So they're pretty much all in different kind of sectors. Like I said, mutual funds are like has a manager and actively manage fund. ETFs, you can pretty much trade anytime you want. Mutual funds, like I said, they come with higher fees also. And like a ETF, they come with low fees. ETFs pretty much work just like stocks. And like mutual funds, like I said, much difficult on mutual funds, but pretty much they're the same thing. ETFs is a good way to diversify. Mutual fund or dividends are like reinvested automatically. I say what ETFs you can pretty much buy throughout the day. There's some other ETFs I want to look at. Like I said, pretty much a lot of ETFs are all invested in like different market sectors, just like a mutual fund. iShares, pretty much similar. Was a good one. High dividend yield, market cap 12.72. Good dividend yield. This one, they pretty much selected through roughly 100 stocks. So it's a pretty good one right there. Yeah, so I'm thinking about getting into more ETFs. I mean, pretty much ETFs, you can hold for the long run. Yeah, leave a comment. Let me know about what kind of ETF you have. What kind should I buy? Oh yeah, this woke up, so if I sound a little groggy, just please forgive me. But yeah, leave me a comment. Yeah, pretty much taking in red today. think about buying some more stocks. I like buying stocks. They're pretty much. I like buying individual stocks. Pretty much fun. I like the ETFs. It's kind of like you buy them and pretty boring, but good way to diversify your portfolio. Then we'll start a series of you guys leave a comment and about what kind of stock picks I should buy. I'm gonna call it the series stock picks. And I'm gonna probably choose the top 5 I like, and I'm probably go in and do a video with me buying those stocks. But yeah, just leave a comment, like, subscribe, and join my